Welcome to Task 3 of our project Skill Shop. Task 3 program the user sign in process. Previous video we talk about sign up process. In this video we talking about sign in process of our skill shop. The e-commerce shop for skill selling and buying. So I go to my sign in page and I using already registered mail for signing. Let's try without password. We getting error call email and password are required. Okay. And now let's type our password. Okay, you can see signing in successfully and redirecting. We go to our home page. Home page is still developing and this is how it look. So yeah, now let's go to our DB database. This is how it's look. In core identity user table, this is the central entity storing primary user data, attributes including ID, the primary key, names, emails and password hash for security, active account type ID. This column likely tracks the role the user is currently using, example whether they are logged is a seller or buyer. And the role management, account type and user has account type and user has account. Okay. In account type, actually this tables user has account type and account type. These tables manage what a user is allowed to do with the system. Account type, a lookup table containing roles like seller and buyer, while user has account type, junction table. This is a facility. This facilitates a many-to-many relationship. As you can see, a many-to-many relationship. A single user can have multiple account types and one account type can be assigned to many different users. Keys, it uses a composite primary key consisting of user ID and account type ID, both of which are foreign keys. Security and sessions, we have remember tokens and password tokens. These tables. Both of these tables have a one-to-many relationship with the user table. Remember tokens tokens for remember me functionality, allowing users to stay logged in across sessions. Password reset tokens manage temporary tokens sent via email when a user forgets their password. Relation logic in here, one user can have multiple accounts, multiple tokens for different devices or multiple reset attempts, but each token belongs to exactly one user. Alright, let's move to our heading. This is how it's look like. 3 tables, account type. Alright, now we move to the coding part. Let's start with open folder, opt lab, docs. Alright, let's go to auth page. In here, okay, in here we go to this section, JavaScript function to handle sign in. This function sign in for our sign in button to functioning our sign in process. As you can see, we get in variables like password, for password, email, remember me, and for sign in error message by get element by id. Each email and password has value. For example, email is a value, input value, password is a value, input value. In client-side validation, we use a condition, if-else condition for email password by using in HTML for show. We show early email and password are required, email address, and also we have prepare form data for submission. In this here we create variable form and append email, password, and remember me. Remember me check in true or false because in later video we check in the remember me section for sessions cookies, and send form data to the server. Actually we are using Ajax in here. That's the reason. We are using Ajax here. That's the reason we are using XML HTTP request in here. Send form data, because we use data to the server by using HTTP request. You can see the variable here. So we also create here a function, if-else condition. For what? To redirect dashboard after successful live sign in. We go to the home page because we link home PHP, and also else function for display server response as error message if any, and also in a HTML for request fail. In here display error message if request fail by using post method in here, by opening post method, and we link the process folders sign in process PHP, because sign in process PHP help the website client side sign in process, while in server side this function handle that. Okay, let's go to sign in process PHP. You can see we have session start here. This session will start if the conditions are true. What conditions? Well, you can see we have a validate email format for valid email format, and if email required they give echo mean a message. We saw a red and green color message when we successfully, or we give invalid inputs. This echo is just show message in for user, for client, by using PHP. So we have several echoes in here, and we do also use database search query. Why? Because if he's already signed up user, he going to sign in, database should have the data about him, right? So now we also have another let's say in here password verify. Why we use with if condition? We have if condition, long if condition. In this if condition, the password verify this condition. Why this here? Actually, for server side to take raw password, enter compares it again the hash in our database without decrypting. As you can see, we can hear this password hash, but I can't see the password here. So this is very good for security, because even a security breach, hackers can get password hash, not password. We have forget password option later, so user will not forget their passwords with the option. Yeah, back to code. Alright, if this process success, as I told you, if this password verify process success, as you can see, we generate random token here, has the token for security storage, set token expired for 30 days example, and we use values here. We can see another database IUD process, input output delete process. So yeah, if this success, session will start. This helps to keep the user logged in across different pages. And this is for this. That's all for this video for task 3. Let's meet with task 4. Thank you.